Hey everyone, it's Odin Health and Wellness Hub, and let's talk avocados. This creamy, delicious fruit is more than just a tasty treat. We're diving deep into the amazing health benefits of avocados that might just surprise you. From boosting your heart health to giving you glowing skin, avocados are a nutritional powerhouse. Make sure you stick around until the very end because you won't want to miss out on these incredible health secrets. First up, avocados are packed with essential vitamins and minerals like potassium, folate, and vitamin C, K, and E. 2. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. 3. Want to manage your weight? The healthy fats and fiber in avocados can help you feel fuller for longer, curbing those cravings. 4. I spy better vision. Avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect your eyes from harmful blue light and age-related damage. 5. Good gut feeling. Having digestive issues? The fiber in avocados promotes healthy digestion and keeps things moving smoothly. 6. Glowing skin naturally. Avocados are great for your skin. They're packed with vitamins C and E, which promote collagen production and protect against sun damage. 7. Fight inflammation. Avocados contain anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, easing aches and pains. 8. Strong bones, inside and out. Avocados are a good source of vitamin K, which is essential for bone health and helps your body absorb calcium. 9. Balanced blood sugar. Avocados can help regulate blood sugar levels thanks to their healthy fats, fiber, and low carbohydrate content. 10. Essential for expecting mothers. Avocados are a great choice for pregnant women, providing essential nutrients like folate, which is crucial for fetal development. So, there you have it. 10 surprising health benefits of avocados. Incorporating this superfood into your diet is a delicious way to improve your overall health and well-being. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos on health and wellness. Let me know in the comments below how you like to enjoy your avocados. Is it guacamole, avocado toast, or something else? I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, stay healthy.